guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this glittery pink halo eye, and I did this like the other day and I really loved how it came out, so I decided to make a video on this look just in case any of you guys, any of you girls wanted to see how I did this look. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for this look I'm going to be using the light pink shade in the Morphe 35V palette, and I'm going to be using that as a transition shade, and I'm just going to be putting that all over my lid. And since I'm going to be doing a halo eye, I'm going to be placing it, making sure I placed it, the color, like in a, I don't know how to say, like in a U shape. Then I'm gonna start grabbing the coral shade in the palette, and I'm just going to be doing the same thing and putting it underneath the transition shade, making sure I get the outer crease and the inner crease as well. Okay, so after that coral shade is down, I'm going to be grabbing a hot pink in the palette, and I'm going to make sure I dust some off. And now this time I'm just going to be adding some right here on the outer crease and in the inner crease. Okay, so now I'm going to grab a smaller blending brush, and I'm just going to be blending that. So now that looks hella pink, I'm going to be grabbing the concealer brush, and we're already gonna conceal, well, not conceal, but we're gonna do the halo thing. And of course, like always, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Age Rewind. And now I'm just going to place this in the middle, and I'm going to be cutting like my crease, but like halfway, and I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna do it like super straight. So now that you have that down, I'm going to be grabbing a flat brush, and I'm trying so hard not to look up right now because I feel like it's wet and I don't want it to go over the top. And then with this flat brush, I'm gonna grab the light pink shade that we used as a transition shade, and I'm just gonna be putting that over the lid. Okay, so now I'm going to be grabbing a small blending brush, and I'm going to be putting my brush into the hot pink shade we used again, and I'm just going to be putting that here to blend it. Alright, and so on the Morphe 3502 palette, I'm going to be grabbing the color, I think it's, I don't care, I'm not even gonna try, but it's like a burgundy color, I'm just gonna be putting that on the outer crease and the inner crease as well. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding the glitter, and for the glitter I'm going to be using Jcats Beauty glitter, and I don't know what color this is, but it's like a darkish pink color. I have like so many of these are really good. I have this one, and this one, and I'm not sure what color they are in, but they're like literally $1, so I definitely recommend those. Alright, and to apply it, like, you know, I'm always using the Master Prime by Maybelline, and I just use this as an alternative for glitter glue, and it works just as well. And then I'm gonna be grabbing a flat brush, and I'm just gonna be putting some on my lid. And by the way, if you guys want to know where I got my contacts from, they are from TTDI, and I'll link their Instagram in the description box if you guys want to go check them out. I love their contacts. I feel like they look so realistic, and they are so cheap for the price. They are so worth it. And these are in the color Queen Gray. Okay, now with the pencil brush, I'm going to be grabbing the pink shade, and I'm just going to be putting that, damn it, and I'm just going to be putting that on the bottom. I'm going to be applying my eyelashes off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, the lashes are on. Now I'm going to be doing the bottom undershadow of my eyes, and I'm going to be cutting that as well. Not cutting that, but I'm going to put some concealer on it so I can put glitter on the bottom as well. And I feel like that just gives this like some pop to it, some extraness, and it looks so cute. Hella cute actually. And once again, I'm gonna be grabbing my Maybelline concealer, just a little bit, and then like I'm gonna line it up to where I did the halo eye, so like right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, so I'm just going to line it up, and it's gonna be like right here. Alright, and so if you messed up a little bit, just like add a little bit more eyeshadow so it can look well blended and not all harsh. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the glitter now. I'm gonna try to be super careful though, because I'm wearing contacts, and if the glitter gets in my eye, hell nah. So I'm done with putting the glitter on my bottom. What the hell do you call that? Like on your under eye? And the only reason I do it is so that when you close your eyes, it looks like this. I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks something like this, and it looks really nice. yeah, now I'm just gonna be putting mascara on my bottom eyelashes. Alright, so now for my lips, I'm going to use probably a liquid lipstick I always use. So for my lips, like always, I'm going to use my Milani liquid lipstick in the color Adorable, and my Italia liquid, not liquid, but my Italia pencil in Nude. And these are my go-to like lip combos. I always use them, and I love these Italia liquid. Why do I keep calling it liquid? Oh my god, I mean, I love using these lip liners because they are so inexpensive. They're literally like $1, and they are so smooth as well, and they literally come in like a big old pencil like that. I really wish I can get my lips done. Like, I'm probably gonna do that when I'm like 18, probably this year. I don't know, but I'm probably most likely want to do them because I feel like my lips are so small. And anyways, yeah, this completes the finished look. But before I forget to do anything, I forgot to apply my highlight. You know I gotta add that for sure. So I'm gonna use my Guiller Highlighter in Gilded Honey, and I'm just gonna put some on. Wow, look at that glow. So now this look is for sure done, and I hope you guys liked it. Yeah, so as you can see, like that little effect that it does when like you close your eyes and the glitter is like lining up, it looks like a horizon. Like, I don't know, it just looks so pretty. Anyways, so I hope you guys like this, and I'm sorry I haven't been posting, but I will be making sure I post some more videos whenever I get the chance, whenever it's my day off. So yeah, this is today's look, and I'll see you guys in my next video.